Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today I have a mukbang from Rally's and I just stopped to grab a burger. The tea is super good. If you come here, try the tea. The tea is so freaking good. I got funnel fries. They have all this sugar on them. They're so good. I'm not sure. I think this isn't it. This is like a double patty. Listen, I don't care if you've ever been to their other stores. If you go to Cincinnati, do not pass up White Castle, Skyline, Rally's, La Rosa's. Do not pass us up. Don't pass us up. You'll regret it. This is like a Rally's burger. No. It's like you never breathe until you try a Rally's burger. There's all kinds of spots that you can just chill. There's all kinds of places that you can hang out and have fun. There's all kinds of scenic views that you can make memories and record there. But if you want to fill your belly, trust me. This neighborhood that I'm from, we put chili on the map, Cincinnati chili. So this neighborhood is famous for the chili. I dropped my fries. We have a lot of construction going on. That's why I'm so happy. With we got a good mayor, and the next one is supposed to be running for mayor is Vance's brother. It hasn't always been like this. So if you feel like your neighborhood's like down, don't ever think that you can't pull yourself up and out of the situation. Don't ever think that way. And sometimes you think, well, doesn't anybody care about us? Your community or your neighborhood. But 9 times out of 10, if you look around, nobody even knows that you guys exist. Nobody even knows what hardships you're facing. Nobody even heard of the situations you guys are in until somebody speaks. Once the light is shown on the darkness, nothing can stop you. Okay, I gotta go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe on my son de Frump. Bye-bye.